The deep sea, a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and freezing temperatures. It's a world more alien than the surface of the moon, and we've only just begun to scratch its surface. We send our robotic eyes, our hardy cameras, down into the abyss, hoping to catch a glimpse of the unknown. But what happens when the abyss stares back? And what happens when it decides it doesn't like what it sees? Today, we're rediving into a chilling piece of footage that captures the final moments of a deep camera before it was violently destroyed by something unexplained. Our story begins 1,200 meters. That's nearly 4,000 feet below the ocean's surface. A specialized deep-sea lander, equipped with a high-definition camera, was deployed to study the unique ecosystem of the seabed. For hours, it sent back incredible images of otherworldly creatures, gracefully navigating their lightless world. Everything was going according to plan. The mission was a success until it wasn't. Suddenly, the feed begins to glitch. The image flickers, and the usually stable camera starts to shudder. At first, the research team watching from the surface assumed it was a technical malfunction. Maybe the immense pressure was finally taking its toll on the equipment. The camera jitters more violently now, shaking as if caught in a powerful, unseen current. But the instruments show the surrounding water is calm. Something is physically interacting with the lander. The lens tilts wildly, showing flashes of the murky seabed, then blackness. You can hear the faint, distorted sounds of metal groaning and scraping, transmitted through the lander's structure. The team holds its breath. What could be strong enough to manhandle a piece of equipment built to withstand the pressure of 1,000 tons? Then, through the chaotic motion, we see it, a shape. It's a fleeting glimpse, a dark mass, moving with impossible speed against the faint glow of the camera's lights. It's not a fish we recognize, not a squid, not a whale. It's huge, and it's fast. The camera swings around again, and for a split second, the light catches something reflective. Something that looks almost like a massive eye or a bioluminescent organ before it vanishes back into the gloom. The shaking intensifies. It's no longer just a shudder. The camera is being thrashed, slammed against the seabed. The sound is horrifying now, a cacophony of screeching metal and crunching impacts. It's clear this is not a malfunction. This is an attack. The creature seems to be toying with the lander, testing its strength. We see another blur of movement, a powerful appendage or body part slamming into the camera's housing. A web of cracks, instantly, spiders across the protective lens. Water begins to seep in, distorting the image further. The lights flicker erratically, casting strobe-like effects on the unfolding chaos. It's a terrifying, disorienting spectacle. The team on the surface can only watch, helpless, as their multi-million-dollar equipment is torn apart. What kind of animal possesses this level of intelligence and aggression? Is it territorial, defending its home from an alien intruder? Or is it pure predatory instinct, attacking an object it can't identify? Theories range from a colossal species of squid, far larger than any we've ever documented, to a type of deep-sea shark that has remained hidden from science. Or perhaps something entirely new, a creature that has evolved in complete isolation, developing its own rules of survival in the crushing dark. In the final harrowing seconds of the footage, the camera is lifted, pointing straight up into the water column. The cracks obscure most of the view, but we can see the light source moving away from the seabed. At an alarming rate, the creature is carrying it. And then, with a final, sickening crunch, the lens shatters completely. The feed cuts to black. Silence. The camera, and whatever attacked it, are gone, vanished back into the abyss. All that remains is this mysterious, terrifying recording. It's a stark reminder that down in the deep, we are not the explorers. We are the intruders. And sometimes, the abyss strikes back. Thanks for watching. And if you find the mysteries of the deep as fascinating as we do, make sure to subscribe for more. Stay curious.